In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a prototype in a desktop browser from Adobe XD. First, make sure your design and prototype are set up in XD. Start with your artboards arranged in the order of your user flow. Then switch to prototype mode to wire everything together. Click an element on one artboard and drag the blue handle to the destination artboard to create an interaction. In the interaction panel, choose a trigger like tap or click. Pick a transition such as dissolve, auto-animate, or none, and fine-tune the easing and duration so it feels natural. If your project has a main entry point, set a home artboard so the prototype knows where to begin. Keep your links organized and test key interactions as you go. This saves time before you share it. When your prototype feels ready, it's time to generate a link. Go to the Share tab near the top of XD. This is where you decide how your prototype will be experienced in the browser. Choose a view setting that fits your goal. Design review is great when you want feedback with comments right on the screens. Presentation offers a cleaner, distraction-free view for stakeholders who just want to click through. Once you've picked the view, click Create Link. If a link already exists because you've shared before, you'll see Publish or Update Link. Use that to keep the same URL while pushing your latest changes. When XD finishes generating the link, copy it. Now open a desktop browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari work well, and paste the URL into the address bar. The web viewer will load your prototype, starting from the home artboard or the flow you shared. Viewers can click hotspots, navigate between screens, and experience transitions just like in XD, but without installing the app. In Design Review, they can add comments and pin notes directly on the interface, which makes feedback clear and actionable. In Presentation, the focus stays on the flow, with simple controls for moving forward and backward. If you update the design later, just return to XD, choose Update Link in the Share tab, and refresh the browser page to see the changes instantly. That's it. By wiring interactions in prototype mode, creating a shareable link from the Share tab, and opening that link in a desktop browser, you give anyone a fast, accessible way to experience your prototype exactly